Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2021 BMW 540i. This one's the X-Drive with the M Sport package. Also, so this is Bernina Gray Amber Effect, which is absolutely gorgeous. Black Dakota leather, Shadowline M Sport parking assistance premium package for a total price of $72,990. Of course, this isn't the top M car for the 5 Series. Of course, that goes to the M5 and the M5 competition. If you so desire, you can get a M550 with a twin-turbo V8. This one, the 540, has the 3-liter inline 6 with the 8-speed automatic. X-Drive on this one. Harman Kardon sound system. There is your reverse backup assistant. So it's gonna essentially use how you got into the space to get yourself out of it. So it's following the lines that I drove in order to get into the spot, in order to back itself out. That is pretty darn impressive. And you see, it doesn't just do it for a couple feet. I think it's about 200 feet it will do, which is pretty impressive. Again, this is all thanks to BMW of Sudbury in Sudbury, Massachusetts. Where are you going, buddy? So far today I've driven the M4 and the M340. Really liked both. Now compared to the M340, this is obviously a bit bigger and it's a little bit softer. Of course you do have Sport Plus mode, and you can get a very sporty version. Essentially the same trim on an M340 would be the M550 on this. Those would kind of be similar cars for each series. But price-wise, should you go 540 or M340, because they're essentially the same price. Obviously the 540 is going to have a bit more room. It's a little bit more refined. The interior materials are just a little bit nicer. And all in all, it's just an overall, it's more of a luxury car than a sports sedan. Obviously, you're gonna have the performance. This is, I think, the same exact motor that's in the M340. You're gonna have the performance that's there. It still drives like a proper sports car should. But it's also just a little bit more relaxed than the M4, I mean, and the M340. Just a little bit more refined. I'm driving this one here in sport mode. I'll probably try Sport Plus at some point. Do have paddles behind the wheel, of course. But no, this is a properly good car. I like it a lot. especially, just driving around. It's a very, very comfortable car to drive. And a lot of times, when I have my Challenger out, it's a fun car, I'm not gonna lie, but sometimes it's a bit much. So it's nice to be able to have a car that does both very, very well. Pretty sure that's a wrap on that. I mean, this thing is a proper nice luxury cruiser. Of course, I'm going to be reviewing a 750, which I have the key. I think this might be the 750. Yeah, this is the 750 key. So I have that. That's going to be taken out after the M235. So that's a proper luxury car. Whereas this is a perfect mixture between the 750 and the M340. I like it a lot. Now I think it is time to put it in Sport Plus. Everything just gets a little bit more tensed up, ready for sporty driving. I'm going to put it into manual mode just so it doesn't hold revs sky high all the time. Alright, now that I've actually kind of used it for sporty driving there, it's actually really, really good. Actually, I want it to point me the right direction when I go to leave. So I'm going to do this. Have it point me the right direction. Let's see if I can really confuse that backup parking assist. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.